What up, Wagwana people? Yeah, man, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe. Today we will be making some delicious oven jerk chicken. It is gonna be awesome and delicious. Alright, so here I have some leg quarters. So what I'm gonna do, we already washed these and clean them up nicely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season these. So I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt and onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of meat seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and I'm using the Cool Runnings brand. You can use any brand of your choice. Then I'm going to go in with some paprika, and I'm using 1/2 tablespoon as well. Yeah, man. So right now I'm gonna go in with some jerk marinade, and this is homemade. I will leave a link in the description for this jerk marinade. I am using 3 tablespoons. You need to add 1/2 tablespoon of browning to the jerk marinade. Since I use it for multiple purpose, I don't add browning to the full bottle. So we just gonna rub that in now. Yes, you see, looking so good. Look at that. I can smell the ginger, the herbs and the spices, all of that loveliness that I have in my homemade jerk marinade. Look at this chicken. It is looking absolutely amazing. Alright, so with chicken season and everything look good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna place our chickens on this grill right here. I sprayed my grill with some cooking spray, and as you can see, I have a oven protector underneath the bottom of my grill. You want to place that under there, guys, because you don't want to mess up inside of your oven. So place out your chickens, place them out nicely. Make sure now that you turn on your exhaust. Turn on your exhaust because this can get a little smoky. Preheat your oven at 450 degrees. Alright, see them, yeah? Them looking lovely. So you want to turn them over on the other side when they're in the oven so that both sides can get nice and brown. I left these in the oven for about 1 hour. You can go 1 to 1.5 hours depending on your oven and depending on how you want your chickens to look. I don't like my jerk chickens white. I like when my jerk chicken have them color here. Yes, look like it a come off of the pan. You know them jump pan where we use in Jamaica? Okay, so the chicken ready and looking lovely. Now it's time to prepare our brown stew fish. So here I have some snapper that I already washed with lemon and cleaned. Make sure you clean your fish inside out properly. And I just put some wedges on both sides, as you can see. Dry your fish, dry them off nicely with a kitchen towel or a piece of napkin. Now it's time to season our fish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion salt. And this is what we're going to use. Combine it together, and we're going to season our fish on the outside and also on the inside. Yeah, man, now it's time to prepare our vegetables. So here I have 1 purple onion. You can use white one as well. Some chopped garlic, 2 tomatoes, 1 hot scotch bonnet, a piece of thyme, and 1 carrot. So here I have some bell peppers. I have orange, red, green, yellow. I also have some okra, These are frozen, but you can use the fresh ones. I'm also going to go in with some pimento seeds. Okay, so here I have my skillet, or your frying pan, as they would call it in Jamaica. I have 4 cloves of garlic in here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fry our fish, make them nice and crispy on both sides. Make sure that your oil is hot. You don't want to put your fish in any cold oil. Do not move your fish for the first 2 minutes, okay? Okay, continue to fry your fish until you fried all of them. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start sauteing our vegetables. So here I have a wok on the stove. I have some butter in here. I have 3 tablespoons of butter. And this is what we're going to saute our prepared vegetables in. So we're just going to pour that into our wok. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my powdered seasoning. So I'm adding half tablespoon each. So I have paprika, onion powder, and onion salt, my all-purpose seasoning, and my fish seasoning. I also added 1 pack of Grace fish noodle. You can use Maggi as well. What I did, I sieved my fish tea soup mix through my strainer just to get out the noodles. We don't need the noodles. And we just added the powder. So now I'm adding 4 cups of water, and I have half tablespoon of browning in my water. And then I am going to go in with about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. You want to also ground your pimento seeds and add them at this point. When all of your fish are ready, you are going to just place your fish into the prepared sauce, cover down your pot, and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. This is what it is looking like currently. The gravy has reduced. It is looking lovely. You can put some lime juice over this, or you can just enjoy it as it is. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Until next time, God bless you all.